Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today we are going to solve this select from word tutorials from SQLZOO.net. I have already added the link in description, so you can take that link from there. Uh, let's go see how the database look like. Actually, in the first statement, there is only select name, continent, population from word. They have only given this to observe how the data look like. So let's hit that. So you can see Afghanistan. Asia is the continent that Afghanistan belongs to, and the population of Afghanistan is mentioned in the third column. Okay, let's go to the major questions now. So first question, second actually, how to use where to filter records. Show the name for the countries that have population of at least 200 million. 200 millions means there are 8 zeros in that. So we can basically copy this thing and paste it here, and it says at least, so we'll use this sign making it this. So here we can see correct answers. These are the countries where there are population more than 200 millions. Okay, let's go to next. So it says per capita income of the population of at least 200 million. So 200 million population at least, right? So we can copy from here and paste it here, but we need one more column, that is per capita GDP. Per capita GDP is GDP divided by the population, so we can mention it as comma GDP by population. I believe that there is a column of GDP of at least $200. So here we got that, we use this one. Okay, let's go to next. So this is show the name. Wait, oh, okay, select name population from word. Okay, where, so what was the name of the continents field? This continent, and it says Africa. So we will just copy this. Is it copying? Okay, I'm copying so that there will be less mistakes, and divide the population by this. So here we got, because they want the population millions, that's why we divided this by this. This will give us the population in million. Okay, show the name. Okay, I'm just copying this because again we are going to show the name and population, but in this we are not dividing it. So here we will discuss the example that we discussed earlier. Name in, copy these three, put it here, put them in, what do you call it, let me modify this in the syntax format. Yeah, so we got the correct answers. Yeah, because we used in here as we discussed in the last video, what and in, where we can use in and where we can use like. Okay, so let's go next. So here, oh, again we need to use the country, and it says the country that includes United, so we don't need population in that, we just need, so here we will use like function, uh, but as it only include that, so it can be started or it can be in the end. I hope this shall work. Yeah, so anywhere United will be in that. It does not mention that it starts with United, it does not mention it will end with United, it can be anywhere. That's why I put percentage sign before and percentage sign at the end, to make sure that United will be anywhere. Okay, let's go to next. Two ways to be big. So we know two ways to be big means show the countries that are big in big by area or big by population. Show name, population. Okay, A country is big if it has area more than 3 million square kilometers and population more than 250 kilometers. Okay, first let's see. Okay, where? So I'm going to put area is greater than 3 million. Yeah, it's done. Or population is greater than 250 million. Routine. Wrong answer. Too few columns. Okay, what do we have to? Country. So the name, population, and area. Okay. Yeah. So basic example, it was not that huge. I think now we are getting up to the medium column. So let's see. Exclusive or show the countries that are big by area or big by population, but not both. Okay, we can definitely take this, copy this. So currently we are doing or. Uh, I'm just giving like trying if Zor can work. I don't think so. I never used it. Oh, Zor is working. Oh, okay. That's I never used Zor before, so I was just giving it a shot. It worked. There is another way as well. If you will use the and column, put them in braces, you can say, or again you can use the braces and change the signs. This is like you can say this, and this will be this. So let's see. Yeah. So this is another way of using it. I never used Zor in SQL. This is the first time I'm using it. So new thing to learn, always there. So in this it says rounding. Show the name and population. So first name, column population from word in millions. Okay, in millions means we are going to divide it by 6 zeros, and the GDP in billions. Okay, of the continent, where continent equal South America. Let's see first what is that. Okay, what does it want? Use the round function to show the two values to decimal. Okay, sure, we can use round. Call 2. I think same thing we have to do with this. I think this should give us the right answer. Yeah, because it's asking for two decimal places. That's why we did it. Okay, we learned the round function. Trillion dollar economies, per capita GDP. So we calculated the per capita GDP somewhere up here. Here we calculated the per capita GDP. So why don't we copy this and let's go down there. Okay, name and per capita GDP of the countries with at least 1 trillion. So there is nothing, this we don't need, we need 1 trillion. Okay, round to the nearest $1,000. Let's first find out the answer. So this is a little bit tricky because round function, let's see. Okay, it's not doing that. Why? per capita GDP for those with a GDP at least 1 trillion, that is 12 zeros. Round this value to nearest 1000. So here you can see that I used -3 for rounding the function. So basically, if we are using plus sign, +2, +1, then it means it is going after decimal places. And if you are using minus, then it is before decimal places. So as we can see, 1000 is like three zeros. That means we are going 3 in the positive side of that. Okay. So we submitted this and we got the correct answer here. Let's go to next. So now we are using the length function and we need to find, let's see, name and capital have the same length. Greece and Athens both are 6 characters. Show the name and capital where the name and capital have the same number of characters. Okay, so we got the this function, but we don't have to find the continent. We just have to show the name and capital from word where length of name and length of capital is same. Error. Okay. Oh, okay. So it does not have capital. What's wrong with it? Okay. Let me again select star from word. Let me submit this. Okay, capital is not like, oh, flag. Okay. So capital is there. Why it says capital is not there? Name is there. So I think, let me give it a shot. Oh, okay. Yeah. So why? Okay, so we only have to show the name and capital, so we can remove the length. It's just an example. Okay, so we got the right answer, the name and the capital. Okay, matching name and capital. The capital of the Sweden is Stockholm. Both start with S. The name of the capital and the first. Okay, so we have to check only first letter that are matching. Do not include the countries where name and the capital are the same word. Okay. Use the left word left. Okay. To isolate. First thing first, we only need 2 columns in the output, right? Yeah. So it says where equal and name not equal capital. Okay. So they both do not include the countries where the name and the capital are the same word. So they both should not be equal. Okay, we can use the sign this. Left is actually taking the first character out from the alphabet, that we said name. So whatever name, like suppose the country is India, it will take I and the capital will be Delhi, New Delhi, then it will take N. So they are not going to be equal. Let's see. Yeah, Algiers and Algeria, they both are separate words, they both are different words, but their first alphabet, first character, first element is same, A and A. That's why they are in the output. Let's take last. I think this is the last one. Yeah. All the vowels. Equatorial Guinea. Okay. Um, Dominican Republic have all the vowels A, E, I, O, U in the name. They don't count because they have more than one word in the name. Okay. Find the country. All vowels but no space. Okay. So, okay. So they've already given the example that you can use. A. So I'm going with the longer way. so that you can guys can relate with it easily. A E I O EU. Okay, so for space I'm just putting the space, or yeah, so there should not be any space, but it should have vowels. Let's see if that gives the okay. So there's only one country shown. This is the country like Bahamas, Belarus, because they contain at least one A. All the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and there should not be any space. So that works for us. We will take out this one, and it should give the other two as well for us. Yeah. So here you can see it is giving Congo, Equatorial Guinea, Dominican Republic as well. But Mozambique is the only country which has all the vowels but no spaces in it. So this was the video for us today. We have done select from word. I hope this can help you in interview and basic examples of select, where, like, and in. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate your time. I hope you liked it. I hope this can help you in learning more and helping you in interview. If you have any question that you need, I can definitely try to help you out. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.